Make sure that you are listening to your body and go at your own pace. If you feel pain, stop and consult your doctor if you are concerned with injury. Our scripture focus is Psalms 23:3. I want you to take some deep breaths in and exhale. I want you to release all worry and care and stress and use the next few minutes to focus on God. Starting with our neck, tilt your head towards your shoulder, gently assisting with your hand. Hold here. Now move to the other side. Okay, repeat to the right and then again to the left. Be sure to breathe through all of these stretches. Okay, now placing your hands at the crown of your head, guide your head towards your chest and hold. Let the weight from your arms gently stretch the back of your neck. Okay, now turning your head to the left until you feel a light stretch. Keep your chin parallel to your shoulders. You're going to hold each stretch while maintaining the parallel position. Remember to breathe. Now rolling your shoulders backwards. Take it slow in 4 counts. Make sure you get those shoulders nice and high and roll all the way through your shoulders and your shoulder blades. Now stretch the right arm across your chest, making sure to breathe. Make sure you are pressing down in the shoulder and it's not rising up towards your ear. We do this exercise on the right and on the left. Deep breaths in and exhale. Okay, last one. And release. Now taking your right arm up and back, you're going to hold your elbow with your left hand. This should stretch the back of your arm. Sitting up nice and tall, make sure you are breathing. Let's switch to the other side. If you have to modify any of these exercises, please feel free to do so. Remember, work at your own pace. All right, now clasp your hands over your head and lean to the right. Go as far as you can, but this will give you a good stretch in your side. Now to the left. It's really important to breathe on these exercises specifically. Up and release. Alrighty, now let's take our arm down to the floor and stretch over to the side. Make sure that arm is over your head and you keep your chest forward. If you need to prop yourself up on your hands, feel free. If you can take your arm to the floor, that works as well. And come up. Last one. All right, now breathe in and fold forward down towards the floor and hold here. Breathe in, breathe out, and come up. Let's repeat that movement. Arms up and over. Exhale. It's a great moment here to just thank God for all that He's done. Casting our cares upon Him, breathing in and release down to the floor. Okay, let's come up. Last one. And come up. Let's take these last few seconds to just breathe in and breathe out, thanking God for who He is, thanking Him for restoration, and thanking Him for continued blessings. Until next time.